Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas. Welcome back in the next video of programming using Java assignment series. Today we will solve interface assignment 1. Here problem statement is Happy Mobiles is a mobile manufacturer and they want to increase the rate of production. So they have decided to add a feature for easily testing the compatibility of mobile operating system with generation of cellular network. You need to help them by creating an application based on the class diagram and description given below. So let's analyze this problem. Here you can see two classes and one interface. Smartphone class is extending mobile class and implementing testable interface. In the function description, you can see description of constructors of two classes and test compatibility method and then sample input and outputs. Here simply concept is if you want to develop an application, then you do not need to create it from scratch because maybe it will be a very time taking process and it need much time and work to create it from scratch. So what should we do? So answer is just use the code which is already exist. Like here we are using code of mobile phone to create smartphone. We call it inheritance. Here we will use inheritance and abstraction concept. Let's solve this problem in Eclipse IDE. In testable interface we need to just declare test compatibility method. In mobile class, declare 4 private string instance variable like name, brand, operating system name, operating system version. Then constructor to initialize these 4 members. Then generate getter and setter methods. This class is done. Now in smartphone class, which is extending mobile class and implementing testable interface, declare only one variable, private string network generation. Then generate a parameterized constructor in which we are calling superclass constructor. Then generate getter and setter. Below that we are implementing test compatibility method. So for creating this method, just look at the method description. Here we can see a chart in which OS name, network generation and compatible OS versions are given. So let's type the condition with the help of this chart. So here condition should be if operating system name is Saturn, then if network generation is 3G, then if operating system version is 1.1, 1.2 or 1.3, then it will return true. Similarly, if network generation is 4G, then if operating system version is 1.1 or 1.3, then it will return true. Else if network generation is 5G, then if operating system version is 1.3, then it will return true. Now for Gara operating system, if network is 3G and OS version is EXRT.1 or EXRT.2 or EXRU.1, then it will return true. Then if network is 4G and OS version is EXRT.2 or EXRU.1, it will return true. And then if network is for 5G and OS version is EXRU.1, then it will return true. And finally, if inputs are not matching, then it will return false. This class is complete. Now to understanding the working of this code, we should see tester class. In the tester class, we can see on the line 3 smartphone class object created, and in if else condition, it will call that method. Then it is printing the output according to method output. So I think all of you have understood the working of this code now. So let's run it. Output is right. So copy this and paste in the site to run test cases. Okay, here we can see all test cases are passed, and it's all for today. Thanks for watching.